If you want takeout, but you would rather have homemade food, then this recipe's for you. Stay tuned. We're going to make cashew chicken. Bonjour, y'all. I'm Miss Kate, and this is Go Cuisine. Here, we make cooking fun, easy, and adventurous. Let's dive in. With just a few ingredients, we can pull together this dinner faster than you can get a delivery. So let's try this. And I don't promise this is authentic, but it is tasty and it's quick. And I just start by chopping up some onion, get rid of the icky parts. Nobody wants to eat that. And you're just gonna chop it up. I like this kind of chunky for this recipe, just to add some texture, but you can do yours how you'd like. You can see I'm putting my chopped onion into a bowl here. You want to do your mise en place for this. That means you get everything ready because it really does cook quickly. So you want to do all your chopping at the beginning and then you'll be ready to cook and it'll come together really quick, I promise. Next, I'm going to chop some zucchini and summer squash into half moons. You can use one or the other, or you can use a mix like I am. Start by cutting the ends off of your zucchini and then cutting it long ways. The reason that I do it this way is because then you can lay it down flat on the board and you're not trying to cut something that's rolling around. Safety first. Watch those fingers. We're using 3 zucchini here, so this would be a great way to use up that summer squash from your garden. Do you guys have a garden this year? If so, I'm jealous. My dog tears everything up. Oh well, maybe next year. This wouldn't be cashew chicken without cashews. I use roasted, unsalted cashews. You can use the salted if you want, but you want to back off on the salt in the rest of your recipe. Now I have chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs here, and I just chopped up the chicken breast. There's only 2 of us, so this is plenty, and I am browning it in a skillet with a little bit of a neutral flavored oil. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. When the chicken is almost cooked, I'm just kind of cutting it into smaller pieces here because I was lazy cutting it. You don't have to do that. It's also a way I check for doneness. When it's almost done, we're going to add in all those vegetables we chopped up. Now maybe you're going to be smarter than me and use a slightly larger skillet than I have, but I tried to stir it around just a little bit here so everybody gets incorporated. And then we're going to put a lid on this. I did season my meat, and we do want to season the vegetables as well. So after a couple of minutes, I'm going to add in some salt-free seasoning. And why did I wait? I didn't have room in my pan. That's why. And then we're going to add some garlic and some salt and pepper, of course. Give everything a good stir, and then we're going to put the lid back on until everything is cooked properly. After that raw meat is cooked, taste your food. You can change the seasoning to match what your family likes. I mean, change the vegetables if you want. The point here is we want something tasty that we can feed to ourselves and our loved ones that's also good for us. I wish we had smell-o-vision. You gotta smell this. Now, here comes our secret ingredient. Are you ready? It's store-bought peanut sauce. Yes, you heard me. Yes, I know we can make it, but we're trying to hurry up, remember? This is actually a dip. But, you know, find a store-bought sauce that you like, and we're just going to dump this on top. No shame. We're getting dinner on the table in a hurry. If your sauce is a little thick, you can add a little bit of water, and it will thin it out a bit. Just play it by ear and trust yourself. If you're tasting as you go, you'll learn what you like and what you don't, and you'll do a better job next time. Now, one last final touch. We're going to put some chopped green onion on top. And of course, our cashews are going to get tossed in as well. And if you're feeling extra festive, you can throw in some sesame seeds. Completely optional. I like sesame seeds, and they're good for you, so in they go for me. All that's left to do now is plate it up. I like to serve it with rice. Also, don't put a towel on the stove. That's dumb. I'm sorry, I was showing a bad example. And voila, we're done. My cheater cashew chicken. À table! Bon appetit! Screenshot the recipe! Since you're still here, why don't you check out this other one-pot dinner? Have a great day. Goodbye. Au revoir.